We got a Ford Raptor in the back, and Caden was telling me the guy took it to the dealer. Dealer told him it was cam phasers.
Correct.
Which is a possibility. I want to get the customer in here because, you know, sometimes the customer will go, hey, I hear a clink, clink. And we'll hear a clank, clank and think, well, that's what he's talking about. And we'll fix the clank, clank. And he comes in and pays the bill, and he's going, I still got a clink. I still got a clink, clink. So I want to get the guy down here. Do you think we can call him up and have him come down here so we can say, is that the noise?
I can call him, certainly see if he will.
Hey everybody, it's finally happened. The day is here. We're so happy. Let me present to you the Roberts. Without further ado, you haven't seen it. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
All right. Wow, that is crazy. Yeah.
We did a lot of upgrades on it for you. Nobody's gonna have a Jeep like this.
No, well, I am.
Yeah, you are.
Right?
You guys will be the only ones.
We've got a rough country bumper, heavy duty wench here. We actually did a lot of customization. We fitted it. Everything is super nice and set up. It's got a 3-inch lift, Fox suspension, big old rims and tires here. We've got your light bars. I'll show you some of the controllers and stuff inside. Okay. We're hoping you can see it from space. I mean, if you really want to, it'll light up.
Come here, you want to see how the controls. It's so, I mean, look at the control switch for the lights. It's right in.
And it's lighted here, so you can see which one you're turning on and off.
The main on.
Oh.
And then when you turn one of them on, it'll go blue. That gives you a little more get up and go and oomph.
Smidgen, right?
Yeah, just a smidgen.
A little bit.
And if you look at it, I mean, being a truck driver, you've seen under the hood of stuff. I mean, it's such a clean install.
There's no more space under the hood of this thing because it's all maximized. It's been tuned, coolant's been flushed, oil's been changed.
So here's a clear title. That's pretty cool.
Absolutely.
Clear title of the truck and your keys for it.
Meanwhile.
Caden!
Yes, sir.
I just talked to Matt on this Ford. Have you listened to it yet?
I have. Just pulling it in.
Does it sound like phasers to you?
To me, it doesn't sound like phasers. I'm still trying to figure it out, but it doesn't sound like it's coming from up here.
Let's start up. Let me listen to it. Let's see what we
I can kind of hear it a bit more on this passenger side when pulling it in. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Kind of do that. A little more. Let it idle down.
Yeah, let it idle down a little bit.
Did he say it was worse when it's cold or hot?
He said it's usually on startup.
So cold start?
Cold start.
Let's pull it outside.
Okay.
Let it really get cold again. Will you try to make the noise with the customer here to verify it?
Make sure that's what we're going after.
Apparently, Matt's telling me the dealer said that that it was the cam phasers, and I don't hear the cam phasers making noise. Those will rattle like a mother. Okay, thanks, dude.
Okay, yep.
A few moments later.
So I did hear a noise on it. At this time, I don't believe it's the cam phasers. I think it's a different noise. So
Okay,
I just
cool.
want to either start it up and we're going to see if that's the noise you're hearing, or maybe it hasn't happened yet for me. So
Okay, perfect.
So yeah, if you want to get in and then start it up, actually roll down the passenger window. I'm going to talk to you, and then you just let me know if you hear it or not hear it.
Okay.
So you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not quite as much.
What's that?
Not as much.
No? Has it gone away now?
Oh yeah, that's back.
Yeah. Okay. And then if you give it a tiny rev and let off, and then now it's more pronounced, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's your turbo actuator.
The actuator, but not the turbo itself.
Yeah, so we're gonna see our options, but basically there's just a little tiny lever that goes back and forth, and it's usually all metal. I'm wondering if maybe that there's something out there just to tighten up the actuator, or if it has to come as a turbo. But I did drive it and I did hear that noise. I could hear it at 40 miles an hour. Could you hear that as well? Yeah. Okay, I can get it up on a rack if you want to hear it that way. I found it coming from your pinion bearing.
Okay.
In your differential, so that bearing's just making a lot of noise.
Like I said, I thought it was kind of crazy that it was going to be the
Cam phasers.
cam phasers and timing chain, because I was like, isn't that supposed to be fixed in this year? It's like,
Yeah.
so I bought a 2020 and not like a 2019.
Yeah.
Because they're essentially the same truck, other than they did the upgrade on that. Right?
Yeah, and that's what I assume happened on this. So it's not phasers, it's more turbo.
Well, I think that's good news.
Yeah.
Better than placing the cam phaser
Sort
and
of,
timing chain.
you know,
Maybe.
Yeah, we'd have to see on labor and part wise, but at least you didn't do the cam phaser job then have to go back.
Because I almost, then I was like, don't know how much I trust this place. Let's get a second opinion.
Yeah.
So whatever you want to do with it next.
We can put it on the lift if you want to hear that noise or anything.
That'd be great.
Okay. Yeah. So I can get that staged for you really quickly. I'll drive it in. I got to move a car out.
Okay.
But then I can come get you once it's all prepared.
Hang out same spot?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna grab something out of this.
Okay. Sounds good.
A few moments later.
Where's Tyson?
All right, Alejandro.
Yep. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So we can definitely hear it from right here. That's why when we're in there, we'll check out everything else. But yeah, it uses the hollow drive shaft almost as a noise multiplier. Yeah. All right, thank you.
So you're saying that other noise?
The other noise. Let's see if it's easier to. All right, so this right here. Can you see up in there that? So that little connection, you can just hear it rattle on startup. I believe they pull shut, the actuators. So they pull shut for startup, and then once you finally start going, they'll open and close and do their own thing. But holding that position, they just rattle. So that's what I believe you're hearing.
All the water in the exhaust too.
Definitely right now. We got a little burble.
Well, I'm glad I didn't go replace my cam phasers and timing chain. That would have sucked.
Definitely good to isolate it first.
Yeah.
I'll give the rest of your vehicle a good look over. I just mainly wanted to catch you before you left.
Yeah.
Just so we can get those two things taken care of, make sure that's what you're hearing. And then the rest we can give you a bid on and see what else we can find.
I know it needs new pads and rotors.
Yep.
They're on their way.
Okay.
So
no need to, you'll do it yourself.
So I'll do those. Because I know they're bad. I've been towing stuff that maybe Raptor shouldn't tow, so little heat warp in them.
Hey,
but
just noticed that on the rear. I was like, oh, these are getting a bit low. Okay, I'll see what else I can find and a bit more research on those turbos. See if there's a fix for them or if it's sadly it's a new turbo or not.
New turbo, upgraded turbos.
Upgraded,
right?
yes, definitely.
Something fun.
That's what we do
If
here.
we have to replace them,
yeah.
why not replace them with something better? Appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.